Hey friends, today we're going to draw a funny pumpkin.
Yeah, it's going to be a lot of fun. We hope you're going to follow along with us. You got a marker or something to draw with and some
paper.
Now, because we're using a marker, you want to make sure that you have at least 2 sheets of paper. You ready to start?
Yes.
First step we're going to do is draw our funny pumpkin's funny face. We're going to draw 2 circles right here in the middle of our paper, but a little towards the bottom. Here we go. We're going to draw 1 circle. And then we're going to draw another one over here. Same size. Yeah. Wow, I like it. That one's a little bigger. I think it looks awesome. Okay, now in the top right, let's draw a smaller circle. This is for the highlight. So our pumpkin's eyes look shiny.
Yes.
Then we're going to color in the big circle, but leave the little circle white. Now we're going to draw our funny pumpkin's funny mouth. Then I'm going to draw a straight line right in between the eyes. Yes, then we're going to draw a U shape so that our pumpkin's mouth is open. Then we're going to draw a curve inside like this for the tongue. Good. And then color the top part. Now, if you want, you could draw your mouths different. I like how you drew your mouth different. Our friends could even change it so that it's a scary mouth.
Yeah.
Yeah, just an oval. Oh, and eyelashes. I always add eyelashes.
Rule number 1,
okay.
Always add eyelashes.
Yeah, always add eyelashes. Okay, let's draw the outside of our pumpkin now. Okay, we're gonna draw a rainbow line or an upside down U up here above the mouth and in between the eyes. We're gonna go like this. We're gonna draw a curve like that.
Okay.
So it's right above the mouth and in between the eyes. Now we're going to draw the same shape down here at the bottom underneath the mouth. So we're going to draw another curve like this. Kind of looks like the chin. Then we're going to draw the curves that go around. We're going to start up here, so pumpkins are kind of bumpy.
Yeah.
We're going to draw another bump over here. We're going to draw a curve. It looks like the letter C. We're going to come around like this and then connect into the bottom.
Oh.
Is that cool?
Yes.
We're going to repeat the same shape over here on the other side. Come down and then connect in.
It kind of is the chin.
Yeah, it looks like a chin. All right, now we're going to draw the stem for our pumpkin. We're going to draw a line that comes in like this, and we're going to do the same thing over here on the other side. It's growing out of the top of our pumpkin's head. Then we're going to draw watch this. It's a little crooked U shape, upside down U. We're going to connect over like that.
Okay. There.
Yeah, that's the stem. Now let's draw another bump coming around. We're going to start over here out of the stem, and we're going to draw a curve that comes around like this, down the side, and then back in. Then let's do the same thing on the other side over here. We're going to draw another curve that comes around and in.
Okay.
Good. I really like the shape of your pumpkin.
It goes in right there.
Yeah, I like it. Now we're gonna draw another bump right here because it looks like it's going around the stem, and we're gonna draw another bump on this side too. There we go. We got our pumpkin. Now, usually there's leaves around a pumpkin and also vines. They're little squiggly vines.
Yeah.
So we're gonna start by drawing a squiggle coming out of the top of our pumpkin over here. So watch this. We're gonna draw a curve that comes out, and then it's gonna curl back in to itself. Looks like the letter P.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna draw another one on the other side. Watch, I'm gonna start kind of far away, but then as I get further, I'm gonna get closer. So it gets thinner. Yeah. Now we're gonna imagine the squiggle, the little vine coming underneath this part, and we're gonna draw another one up here. We're just repeating the same shape. Is that cool? Mm-hmm. So you got to imagine that line coming through. Perfect. And then we're going to do the same thing. Draw the outside, come around, and then connect. Then we're going to draw curving like this. That's curving down. And we finished it. So we drew both Yes, just like that. We got our first little curl. Okay, now we're going to add 2 more curves, little vines like this. One over here and then one coming down here. We're going to repeat the same steps, but this part we're going to fast forward. And our art friends, you guys at home can pause the video to draw this step. Okay, you ready to fast forward?
Yes.
Let's do it. Okay, we got the vines in there. Now you guys can pause the video to make sure that you finish those vines. And you could even add more vines, or you could even draw less vines if you want.
Yeah.
Now what should we draw?
The leaves.
The leaves. Okay, well, I'm going to show you the steps for our first leaf. We're going to draw a leaf. Let's draw it down here. We're going to draw a curve first. This is for the middle of our leaf, coming out of the pumpkin. Yeah. Now we're going to draw it really wide. So we're going to draw a leaf the curve that comes out and it's coming past. So it looks like a backward C. We're going to come past. Now on this side, if you want, you could just draw another curve going the other way, or if you want to be tricky, we could draw an S curve. We're going to curve one way and then back the other. Is that cool? And it looks like the leaf is bending. All right, now let's repeat that same step over here and let's draw another leaf coming out the left side of our pumpkin. So I'm going to draw a curve like that. And I'm going to draw it a little bit different. And this could even be smaller so we don't run off the page. And I'm going to draw a big curve that comes out. Whoa, that's a really wide leaf. And then we're going to draw the S curve coming back in. Okay, now we finished the 2 leaves, but let's add some more leaves.
Okay.
But we're going to fast forward this part. You guys at home can pause the video one more time to add your own leaves. You ready to fast forward?
Yes.
Wow, I love your leaves so much, Hadley. They turned out perfect. Now we're all done drawing. You know what I love about these leaves? Is we did some overlapping. It looks like the leaf is going behind our vines. All right, we're gonna do one more fast forward, the very last one, because what do we still need to do?
Color it.
Yeah, we need to color our pumpkins. They're gonna look so much better colored in. So at the end, you guys can pause it to match the same coloring that we do. You ready to fast forward?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it one last time. Hadley, you did great on coloring your pumpkin. I hope our art friends are going to take time to color their pumpkins too, because it turned out so much better colored in.
Yeah.
And it's okay that our 2 drawings look different, right? And it's okay if your drawings look different than ours, because the most important thing is
To have fun.
yes, to have fun and to
Practice.
And we'll see you later, art friends.
Goodbye.
If you had fun following along in this lesson, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking the circle. Then you can click the bell to get notified every time we upload new videos. I've also picked out these 2 other lessons I thought you'd really enjoy. Don't forget to take a photo of your child's finished artwork and share it on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, because we want to see how awesome it turned out.